Friday, 18th of December, and my name is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. And let's touch on a little bit on the Japanese yen for the Bank of Japan, which has they've kept their monetary policy statement unchanged, as predicted by most of the economies, and that has caused the Japanese yen to fluctuate pretty much. Let's have a look at the dollar against the Japanese yen. So we've seen that the price has appreciated initially, which means that the yen has weakened. Expectation that they might surprise the markets by expanding their monetary policy, and then it came all the way down as it has been clear that the Bank of Japan is not easing monetary policy any further as of now, which is kind of expected. So it did create a very huge impact to the overall market itself. But anyway, back to the dollar yen is that the price is currently now sitting at the support level at the price of 122.27, retracement level of 3.2% based on the 1-hourly charts. If you look back at the chart itself, let's look at the 4-hourly chart. This is the range where the price has been moving sideways, bouncing from bottom to the top, and right now the price is back to this region after we've seen the price pull back all the way from the top of the range. So we might expect the price to begin to rebound off from the bottom again, or rather we call it the floor. And at the same time, it's at the retracement level of 0.2%. So maybe just want to zoom the smaller time frame and to look for an opportunity to go for the buy all the way back to the top at the price of 123.58. Alright, so that's pretty much for the dollar against Japanese yen. Next, we have the euro dollar against we have the euro against the US dollar. So back to the day one chart, we have seen that the price has finally begun to resume depreciation. So based on the Fibonacci retracement, we have seen that the price has been resisted at the 50% retracement level, the price of 1.1006. Yeah, even if we put it all the way to the top, it is still staying resisted, or rather hovering around the retracement level of 3.2% and it begins to fall. So that signals that the price has resumed its depreciation. And let's zoom in the smaller time frame. In the 4-hourly charts, we have seen that the price is falling within a channel, which will be much clearer if you look at the 1-hourly charts. Right, so with right now we have seen the price has reached the bottom of the channel and expected price will retrace further before resuming its depreciation. So with the Fibonacci retracement again, we are waiting for the price to retrace all the way back to the top of the channel and at least somewhere close enough to the retracement level of 8.2% at the price of 1.0899. But that's pretty much straightforward. Just waiting for the price to retrace to go for the sell. And next we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Very straightforward. Again, we have the running trend channel as spoken yesterday, and price is finally about to touch the bottom of the running trend channel with Fibonacci retracement of 8.2% at the price of 0.6678. So just expect the price to consolidate for a little bit while more, but before it begins to rebound. So look for the buy opportunity as the price goes lower to the lower band of the consolidation for the better price of entry. Alright, and of course, expect the price to appreciate all the way to it touches the key at the final exhaustion level, key resistance level at 0.6846. Previous high back in October, that's about 2 months ago. Alright, so that's for the New Zealand dollar against US dollar. Next, we have euro against the Japanese yen. So again, affected by the monetary policy, kind of whipsaw, and we have readjusted the trend channel as well. So it is still, we are still seeing that the price is still falling within a falling trend channel. So expect the price to fall further till it kind of reaches the key support level at 131.61. That's at the retracement level of 61.8%. Of course, let's go back to the day one charts. The reason why we are looking for the buy is because price has already rebounded off from the bottom of the falling trend channel based on the day one charts, and it is still pretty there's still a pretty much gap before it touches the top of the channel. Therefore, we're looking for the buy opportunity for the price to appreciate all the way back to the top of the falling trend channel. So that's for the euro against Japanese yen. And last but not least, I just want to touch on Australian dollar against US dollar. So back to the day one chart, we do see that there is a formation that's forming right here, which is an ascending triangle. The price has got restarted at the top of the formation, came all the way down, and finally touches the bottom of the ascending triangle. So back to the 4-hourly chart, we've seen that the price pulls back as it touches the bottom, which is also the retracement level of 78.6%, price of 0.1793. So let's hope that the price will make another retracement or as it consolidates right now to go for the buy. The thing about the Australia and the New Zealand is that the both are still not looking at easing policy further or to cut interest rate any further, as the currency level right now is still pretty much comfortable. But as we see that the Kiwi and Aussie begins to strengthen against the US dollar to the more uncomfortable level, then we might, and then that's where we will start to look for more sell opportunity. Right, so that's all for today, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week.